My name is Lucas Mkwanazi, but popularly known as Tonic. Today is a big day for me. I decided to go and get circumcised.
I did never say, but I have to do this. Wow, no pain at all.
You know, for all those who are afraid, I'll tell you, it's not a big deal.
No sex for 6 weeks, but it will be worth it.
This is the best decision I've ever made, not only for me, but also for the people I love.
Like Tonic, more than 1 million men have been medically circumcised in the past 3 years to reduce their risk of HIV and AIDS and sexually transmitted infection. Over half of all men in South Africa have already been circumcised. I am Aaron Mutwaledi, the Minister of Health. I encourage you and your children to get medically circumcised.